SciCuriousID presents. Every night, stars seem to sparkle and dance, yet the planets just glow, steady and calm. Why do stars twinkle while planets don't? The answer isn't in the heavens, it's in the air around you. And once you understand it, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Saluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
The light from a star travels for hundreds, or even thousands of years through the vacuum of space. It journeys perfectly straight until it reaches Earth, where everything changes. Our atmosphere is made of constantly shifting layers of air, each with slightly different temperatures and densities. These layers bend and distort light in tiny, random ways. So by the time starlight reaches you, it's been refracted dozens of times, making the star appear to jiggle or flicker. That's what astronomers call stellar scintillation, the scientific term for twinkling. Stars twinkle because they are so far away that even through a telescope they appear as single points of light. When their narrow beam of light passes through the atmosphere, even a small change in air density can redirect it, making the star appear to flash, shimmer, or change color. Planets, however, are much closer. Their apparent disks are larger, so light arrives along many different paths through the atmosphere. These distortions average out, keeping the overall brightness steady. In other words, planets do shimmer a little, but the effect cancels itself out before we notice. The effect also depends on how turbulent the air is. The more unstable the atmosphere, the more stars seem to dance. That's why observatories are built on high mountains or in deserts. Thin, dry air means steadier light and less twinkling. At high altitudes, you'd notice stars appear calmer, clearer, almost motionless, a quiet universe above the chaos of air. Modern telescopes use adaptive optics to undo the atmosphere's dance. By measuring how starlight is distorted, computers rapidly adjust mirror shapes, hundreds of times per second, restoring the image to crystal clarity. Without this technology, even the most powerful ground telescopes would see blurry stars. Space telescopes like Hubble or James Webb avoid this problem entirely by orbiting above the atmosphere, where stars no longer twinkle at all. Up there, the night sky isn't sparkling, it's perfectly still. So the twinkle we see is really an illusion, Earth's breathing atmosphere playing with ancient light. Every flicker is a reminder that we live under a moving ocean of air, distorting messages from across the galaxy. Stars twinkle because of Earth. Planets don't, because they are close enough to fight the flicker. So next time you look up, you're not just seeing stars, you're watching the atmosphere itself in motion. Curious for more? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.